Hey guys, and in today's video, let's take a closer look at a retro case accessory for the GoPro Hero 9 and Hero 10 Black by a company called Equalsimple. So I think that this accessory is gonna be perfect for everyone who wants to use the GoPro in a more casual way, because you can use it as a traditional point and shoot camera. So I think it's gonna be ideal if you want to do some everyday activities with it, perhaps go traveling, whether you want to take some photos or record a simple video. So what do we have inside of the package? Let's find out. Okay, so this is exactly what we have inside of the box, and that's gonna be the retro case itself, the microphone adapter holder, an adjustable lanyard, a battery door with the USB-C port exposed, a thumb screw, lens frame protector, and a lens cap. So honestly, that's quite a lot of accessories that you get for the price. We also have a detailed instruction guide on how to use this product, so that's really nice. So now let's take a closer look at the retro case itself. So this is how the retro case looks like. As you see, it's a plastic construction. Let me quickly put the camera inside of it so I can tell you more about it. So this is how the GoPro Hero 10 Black looks like inside of the retro case. As you can see, the whole camera is surrounded with a frame all around the edges. So it's gonna give you that basic protection from scratching your camera, but also if you accidentally drop it on the ground. Inside the package, we also have a frame protector, so you can put it on top of your lens to protect the edges. And we also have a lens cap that covers the entire lens, so we can protect it even further. Though we have to use some force to take it off when the case is closed. But you can also open it up to easily remove it. So as you can see, we have a clear preview of the front LCD screen, so it's not obstructed in any way, but also we have access to the touch screen, so we can change between different settings with no issues. And we also have a direct access to the mode button on the side, so we can change between different modes. And also we have access to the shutter button, so we can start or stop the recording. At the very bottom, notice that we have clear access to the foldable fingers, so you can use this retro case with any accessories for your GoPro that you have. Now at the very top, we have one called shoe mount that can be used with the official GoPro Lite mode or any other accessory. You can also use it with the microphone adapter holder provided in the package. Let me quickly put it on. So this way, on the side, you can mount, for example, your light, and at the top, you can have your microphone. So this is how it looks like. I have my light on the side. In this case, that's gonna be GoPro Lite mode, and an external microphone at the very top. Notice that the mic is a little bit further back, and the only thing that is missing in the setup is that microphone adapter that connects with external microphone. The thing is that you're gonna need the original GoPro microphone adapter to make it work, as third-party adapters are not gonna work with your camera. That can be quite expensive, as the original microphone adapter costs around $50 US. And what's also cool about the retro case is that when you take off the protective lens from a camera, it's gonna be compatible with the GoPro Max lens mode. And you can also use it with ND filters that gonna replace the protective lens itself. However, it's not gonna work with ND filters that gonna snap on top of your protective lens. On the other side, we have a loophole that can be used with adjustable lanyard, so you can use your GoPro more casually as a traditional point and shoot camera. So for example, you can wrap it around your wrist and tighten it if you don't want to lose your camera, but also you can hang it around your neck if you want to have your hands free. Lastly, if you take a closer look on the side of it, you can notice that there is a direct access to the USB-C port. So if you use the battery door that's provided in the package, you can charge your camera through it or connect a microphone adapter to it. So the retro case itself weighs around 26 grams. And with the camera inside of it, it weighs around 178 grams. So this is what retro case has to offer, and this accessory comes with two different colors. That's gonna be silver or black, so it's quite nice that you can personalize your GoPro a little bit and make it more unique. Retro case is compatible with GoPro Hero 9 and Hero 10 Black, and this accessory costs around $20, but you can also get it on a discount for like $16, so I think that it's quite affordable. So to summarize it, guys, I think that this accessory is gonna be perfect for everyday activities. You can just hang your GoPro around your neck, etc., but you can also use it for vlogging and get some decent protection out of it. So the guys from Equalsimple really gave this product a lot of thought when they were designing it. And the only thing that I can complain about is that the frame door is a little bit stiff when you open it up. And I also think that the lanyard is a little bit too long, the camera is almost at my waist level, and because of that I think it's more likely to hit into something. Alright, so what do you think about the retro case accessory? Do you think it's something worth for you? Anyway, let me know about it in the comment section below, and for today guys, that's it. If you like that content and if you enjoyed it and you learned something from it, then give me a thumb up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't before, smash the notification button so you don't miss on my future content, and see you guys in the next one. Bye!